Packaged fruit juice color is often fake, in the sense that it is manipulated and supplemented with artificial or natural dyes to create a consistent, vibrant appearance that aligns with consumer expectations. The colors of fresh fruit juice, in contrast, are naturally occurring and will change over time. Why packaged juice color is often not real color lost during processing. To extend shelf life, packaged juices are often heat-treated and deoxygenated, which can cause them to lose their natural color. Dyes are added to restore the expected hue. Visual appeal and consumer expectation. Manufacturers use coloring to make drinks visually attractive and reinforce the perception of a particular flavor. A clear or dull-colored fruit drink might be perceived as less fresh or flavorful, even if the fruit was used. Standardization. Adding colorants ensures a consistent shade from batch to batch, compensating for seasonal variations in the color of raw fruit. How to tell if a fruit drink's color is artificial? You can often determine if a drink's color is artificial by examining the packaging and the liquid itself. Characteristic: real, fresh, juice. Fake, packaged juice. Appearance: color may appear muted or cloudy, and a sediment layer or stratification will form over time as the pulp settles. The color is often bright, uniform, and clear. It does not separate or settle over time. Ingredient list: a pure fruit juice will have a simple list, such as X% orange juice, or just the fruit name. The label will list added colorants. Look for natural colors, like annatto, caramel color, or beta-carotene, or synthetic dyes, such as red chalice, yellow punch, or blue egg. Label claims: a packaged juice may deceptively use claims like no preservatives, but this can be misleading. Processed juice loses nutrients during treatment, and flavor packs are often added to compensate. Some brands explicitly state no artificial colors, but may still use natural dyes or have a high percentage of sugar water instead of juice. Cost: fresh X% juice is typically more expensive to produce and will therefore cost more than cheaper alternatives filled with water, sugar, and chemicals. Drinks containing mostly sugar, water, artificial flavoring, and color are often cheaper to make, allowing them to be sold for less. Potential health concerns: while regulatory bodies often deem approved food dyes safe within specified limits, concerns exist about the health impacts of consuming large quantities of synthetic colorings. Hyperactivity in children. Studies have shown a link between artificial food dyes and increased hyperactivity in sensitive children, though not all children are affected. Cancer risk. Some dyes, like red thene, have been linked to an increased risk of tumors in animal studies. While the risk to humans from specific dyes is debated, some dyes are no longer approved in certain countries.
कंपनीज ने 100% फ्रूट जूस का क्लेम फाइनली हटा दिया है। ये देखो, ये है ट्रोपिकाना का पुराना फ्रूट जूस जिस पे ये 100% लिखते थे, लेकिन अब देखो नए वाला इस पे 100% नहीं लिखा हुआ। ऐसे ही रियल फ्रूट जूस पे भी पहले 100% जूस लिखा आता था, लेकिन अब नए वाले पे लिखा है 100% नो एडेड शुगर एंड प्रिजर्वेटिव्स। भाई इन्होंने थोड़ी चालाकी दिखाई है, एंड ये एक्सपेक्टेड भी था, क्योंकि जब एफएसएसआई ने रूल निकाला था तो डाबर ने इस डिसीजन को हाई कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया था। भाई देखो, ये रूल क्यों आया और क्या इसमें दिक्कतें आई, ये मैंने अपनी वीडियोस में समझा रखा है, तो ये भी आप देख लीजिएगा। मैं ये डब्बे में संभाल के बैठा था कि जब ये चेंज आए तो हम मिलकर सेलिब्रेट कर सकें। बाय द वे दोस्तों, एक और बहुत बड़ा चेंज आया है, आप सबकी मदद से जल्दी ही बताऊंगा। धन्यवाद सभी। दोस्तों, भारत की बेस्ट मैंगो ड्रिंक कौन सी है? सबसे ज्यादा पी जाती है ये, लेकिन इनमें चीनी ज्यादा एंड आम कम है। इसमें आम से 10% है, इसमें 11, इसमें 14 और इसमें 16। एंड इन्हें सुंदर और टेस्टी बनाने के लिए लैब में तैयार कलर और फ्लेवर्स मिलाए जाते हैं, तो इन्हें तो मत ही पियो। सेकंड कैटेगरी में है ट्रोपिकाना रियल एंड पेपर बोट। ये इनसे बढ़िया है क्योंकि इनमें आम ज्यादा है। इसमें 21%, 25% एंड 35%, प्लस इनमें चीनी भी इनसे थोड़ी कम है, एंड इनमें कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव्स भी नहीं है। बस एक ही इशू है कि इनमें भी टेस्ट के लिए सिंथेटिक फ्लेवर्स मिलाए गए हैं। थर्ड कैटेगरी में है रो एंड फ्रेशो। इनमें कोई कलर, प्रिजर्वेटिव या फ्लेवर्स नहीं है, तो ये बढ़िया है, लेकिन बहुत ही महंगे है। ये रो की 200 ml बोतल है 60 रुपए की, एंड फ्रेशो की 100 रुपए की। ये मुझे पीनी नहीं, एंड ये बहुत महंगी पड़ती है, तो मैं तो घर पे फ्रेश मैंगो जूस ही बनाता हूं। आप कौन सी पीते हैं कमेंट में जरूर बताइए।
Top recommended mango drinks feature raw pressery Alfonso Mango Fresho signature mango juice, cold pressed. Fruit content contains the highest known pulp contained among major brutsa. At 51% Alfonso mango pulp. Made with 51% Alfonso mango pulp and 49% pineapple juice. Purity: no added sugar, no preservatives, and no artificial flavors. No added sugar, no preservatives, and no added color. Processing uses a cold press technique to preserve more of the natural flavor and nutrients. Also cold pressed, which provides more fruit per serving. Flavor profile: made only from mango pulp and sugarcane juice, though a few customer reviews mention an occasional chemical aftertaste. Some customers dislike the added pineapple juice, while others enjoy the blend. Availability widely available online at retailers like Blinkit, Big Basket, and Amazon. Available exclusively through Big Basket. Comparison with other major brands. Real fruit power. While it does not have added preservatives or artificial colors, it typically has a lower mango pulp percentage, e.g., one variant has only 11.7% and higher sugar content compared to raw pressery and fresho. Tropicana, known for higher sugar content, although some customer reviews indicate it has less mango flavor compared to other Brutzer. Paperboat drinks like Amras are often praised for their nostalgic feel and lack of artificial preservatives or colors. However, they contain a significant amount of sugar. Fair Farms mango juice. This is a sugar-free option made from Dussehri mangoes, with 30% pulp content. It promises a natural taste and color. The best choice for you based on your criteria. Raw pressery Alfonso mango juice is likely the best overall option. It offers the highest confirmed mango pulp percentage, 51%, uses cold press technology, and contains no added sugar, preservatives, or artificial flavors. However, if you are a Big Basket customer and enjoy the hint of pineapple, Fresho Signature Mango Juice is an excellent alternative that is also cold-pressed and free of added sugar and preservatives. Reports from around the world frequently expose factories producing fake or adulterated fruit juices, which are made primarily from sugar syrup, artificial flavors, and chemicals rather than real fruit. A viral video from late 2024 showing a mango